Crochet fashion has become one of the most beautiful and creative trends in today's style world. From elegant crochet shirts to trendy tops and fluffy skirts, each piece handmade artistry and unique fashion sense. Crochet is not just clothing, it's a form of expression, a blend of tradition and modern style that continues to inspire fashion lovers around the world. Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of crochet shirts, crochet tops and crochet skirts. These stunning categories that can completely transform your wardrobe. If you love stylish, comfortable and eye-catching outfits, then stay with us till the end. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing crochet fashion inspiration. Let's begin with crochet shirts. Crochet shirts are a perfect mix of elegance and comfort. They come in both fitted and loose designs, making them for different occasions. They come in both fitted and loose, giving a classy and semi-formal look, while others have a relaxed, open front design that perfect for casual wear. The patterns used in crochet shirts can range from simple stitches to highlight detailed lacework, creating textures and make each piece unique. One of the most loved crochet shirt style in the oversized, a relaxed and effortless look, ideal for layering over a tank top or bralette. You can pair them with jeans, trousers, or even skirts for a balanced outfit. The breathable nature of crochet fabric makes these shirts perfect for warm weather while still offering a style appearance. Another beautiful style is a fitted crochet shirt. These shirts hug the body and highlight your shape, making them perfect for a more polished look. They often feature delicate pattern, collar, and button details that add sophistication. These can easily be worn for casual meeting, outing, or even light for formal events. Now moving on to crochet tops, which are one of the most popular categories in crochet fashion. Crochet tops come in the endless designs, making them suitable for every mood and occasion. From crop top to long tops, sleeveless style to full sleeves, there is something for everyone. Crochet crop tops are especially trendy and loved by younger audience. These tops often feature bold patterns, colorful yarns, and stylish cuts like halter necks, off-shoulder designs, or tie-up bags. They are perfect for summer and can be paired with high-waisted jeans or skirts to create a modern and fashionable look. Loose crochet tops and another favorite choice. These tops are comfortable and airy, making them ideal for daily wear. They often include wide sleeves, open work patterns, and relaxed fits and give a soft flowy appearance. These tops can be styled with almost anything, making them a versatile addition to your wardrobe. Sleeveless crochet tops bring a fresh and youthful vibe. They're perfect for hot weather and allow you to experiment with accessories like necklace and earrings. Many sleeveless designs include intricate patterns that add a touch of elegance even to simple outfits. Long crochet tops or tunic style tops are also gaining popularity. These tops provide more coverage and can be worn with leggings, jeans, or even a mini dresses. Their elegant fall and detail patterns make them suitable for both casual and semi-formal looks. Now let's explore crochet skirts, which are truly statement piece in any outfit. Crochet skirts combine beauty and comfort in a way that few other garments can. They are available in different lengths, including mini skirts, and long maxi skirts. Crochet mini skirts are perfect for a fun and playful look. They are often designed with tight stitches or line interiors to ensure comfort while maintaining style. These skirts can be kept paired with simple tops to highlight their detail patterns. Midi crochet skirts offer a more balanced and elegant look. They fall below the knees and are perfect for both casual and semi-formal occasions. These skirts often feature lace patterns or layered designs that create a graceful appearance. Maxi crochet skirts are the ultimate representation of boho fashion. These long, flowy skirts create a dramatic and stylish look. They are often made with soft yarn and include patterns that move beautifully with every step. Maxi skirts can be paired with crochet tops or beautiful simple blouse for a complete bohemian outfit. One of the most beautiful aspects of crochet skirts is their texture. The patterns create depth and movement, making the skirts look lively and unique. Some designs include fringes, tassels, or layer stitches that add even more character. Color combination play a big role in neutral tones like white, cream, beige, and pastel shades create a soft and elegant look, while bright colors like red, yellow, blue, and green add well vibrancy and energy. Multicolor designs are also very popular, especially in patchwork and garnish styles. Another important feature of crochet fashion is customization. You can choose your own design, color, and yarn type of create piece that perfectly match your style. These makes crochet clothing truly special as every piece feels personal and unique. Styling crochet outfits is also very easy and fun. You can mix and match crochet shirts over a crop top for a layered look. Add accessories like bags, hats, or jewelry to complete your outfit. Crochet fashion is also a part of sustainable fashion. Handmade crochet items often use natural fibers and take time to create, which encourage slow fashion. By wearing crochet clothing, you are supporting craftsmanship and choosing a more eco-friendly option. For beginners, learning to make crochet shirts, tops, or skirts can be a rewarding experience. Starting with simple patterns and basic stitches can help you build confidence. With practice, you can create more complex and detailed designs. If you prefer ready-made items, always look for quality craftsmanship. Check the stitching quality, yarn quality, and finishing to ensure the piece is durable and comfortable. In conclusion, crochet shirts, crochet tops, and crochet skirts are timeless fashion pieces that offer style, comfort, and creativity. They allow you to express your individuality while enjoying the beauty of handmade designs. Whether you are dressing for a casual day out or special occasion, crochet fashion will always make you stand out. For those who prefer buying ready-made crochet tops, or there are countless options available in markets and online stores. Look for high quality yarn and neat stitching to ensure durability and comfort. Handmade pieces may be slightly more expensive, but they are worth the investment because of the uniqueness and quality. Crochet tops are not just about fashion; they also represent to the beach, festivals, casual outings, or even semi-formal evening events. Depending on the design, their versatility makes them a must-have in every wardrobe. Thank you for watching. Stay creative, stay stylish, and we will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And share this video to your friends and crochet lovers. You can pick beautiful pattern in
Look
here.
at this beautiful crochet. Look at this beautiful crochet dress. Pink color, lavender color. These are really beautiful. These enhance your personality. You can wear different festivals, ceremonies, and even weddings. These are really picky designs and most attractive.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to more inspiring crochet fashion ideas. Stay stylish.